Welcome back to my channel. My name is Josy. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a natural way to prevent common cold, cough and flu. All over the world, people get common cold, cough and flu. In most of the country, they have a cold season which falls between December to March. They also have a flu season, which is normally between the fall and the winter months. When this season comes, there are a lot of common cold, cough and flu going around. What is common cold? It's a mild symptoms that comes over a course of a couple of days. The common symptoms is runny nose, sneezing, and congestion. In children, you realize that they have a high fever as well. What is cough? Cough is a sudden thoughtful sound to release air or to clear the throat. The most common symptoms is wheezing, sore throat. You feel like a water running through your throat. You also feel a stuffy nose or runny nose. And at times when you cough too much, you feel a shortness of breath. Now let's talk about flu. The symptoms are more severe and it comes out quickly. Most common ones are fever, chilled, body ache, fatigue, headache. You also have cough and you also have runny nose as well. You realize that these three has a common symptoms. And the common way that they can spread is by airborne and also skin to skin contact like handshake and hugs. There are two main ways you can get sick, either bacteria or virus. But most of the time when we go to the hospital, when we have cough, cold or flu, they prescribe us an antibiotic. But they are mostly caused by virus. Antibiotic mostly works when you have cough, cold and flu, which is caused by virus, because the virus wear off and you feel much better. But most of the time our body get resistance to antibiotics. And when it happens that way, and you have a serious bacterial infection, the antibiotic wouldn't work for you anymore. So my advice is that let the antibiotic be your last option when you get cough, cold and flu. Now let's look at this food. This food normally helps us boost our immune system. It also helps us prevent common cold, cough or flu. Most of the time, our immune system is supposed to help us fight any sickness or disease, whether from bacteria, virus, or fungi. In the process of fighting this disease, you realize that you have symptoms like fever and runny nose. Let's talk about lemons. It has a lot of vitamin C. A fresh lemon juice flushes out friends and the bad bacteria from your body. You can drink them by squeezing them and adding them to hot water. And you can also add a little honey to it. I drink them almost every day to boost my immune system. Let's talk about peppers. A lot of people don't like talking about them because they are too spicy. But we have the spicy one, which mostly look like this. And we also have the sweet ones, which look like this. Do you know peppers have more vitamin C in them even than oranges? It's mostly good for our body, especially when you are fighting flu, cold or cough. The best way to eat peppers is to add them to soups, and it tastes really, really good. Let's look at onion and garlic. They have antivirus and antibacterial component in them. They have a great compound that help you prevent common cold or flu. Especially for garlic, you can shred them and add them to water and drink it. You can also add them to soup and it works pretty well. I'm not a fan of taking garlic like that, so I mostly add a lot of garlic to my soup. And it worked pretty well as well. The last food I want to talk about is ginger root and turmeric. They have an anti-inflammatory and antibacterial component in them. They are very good for our body. For ginger roots, you can peel them, you can crush them, you can cut them and add them to hot water. It's the same goes for the turmeric. Turmeric mostly comes in the form of a powder, so I mostly get the organic ones. When it comes to ginger roots, you wash them and you can eat the cover on it also. I mostly shred them with the cover on it and I add them to hot water and I'll add a little honey to it to boost my immune system and also prevent me from getting cold, flu, or cough. They are very, very good for our body. Most of this food, you can add honey to it for it to taste very good. Honey is also good for our body, but I personally don't eat it every day. So I will eat them when I really want to get a different taste when I'm eating this kind of food. So mostly I get my honey from my country, Ghana. They are really pure and you can see how thick is it in this bowl. My recommendation is to eat this food almost every day to boost your immune system. If you don't want to get sick, you have to prevent yourself. Food is medicine. When you are coming out with common cold, cough, or flu, try this food first. If you have any questions, please go ahead and leave in the comment below. If you like this video, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button, like, and also share. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. God bless you.